Disasters know no boundaries, and it is for this reason that effective disaster risk reduction mechanisms need a high degree of international and multilateral cooperation. The Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission, or the IOC of UNESCO, has since the 1960s provided intergovernmental coordination for the Pacific Ocean Tsunami Warning System. But it was in 2005, after the 26th of December 2004 tsunami in the Indian Ocean, that the IOC received the mandate from the international community to coordinate the establishment of regional tsunami early warning systems in the Indian Ocean, in the Caribbean, and in the northeastern Atlantic, Mediterranean, and connected seas. The Northeastern Atlantic, Mediterranean, and Connected Seas Tsunami Warning and Mitigation System, or the NEAM-TWS, is made of 39 member states ranging from the north of Europe to the North and South Mediterranean area. The member states work in an Intergovernmental Coordination Group, or ICG, under the IOC. The aim is to develop a system that will provide tsunami alerts to the concerned national institutions that have to issue national warnings and arrange the evacuation of areas of the coast. The ICG addresses issues concerning governance and technical matters and facilitates harmonization and standardization among the national tsunami warning centers. There are currently 3 national tsunami warning centers: the Centre d'Alerte au Tsunami in France, the Kandili Observatory and Earthquake Research Institute in Turkey, and the National Observatory of Athens in Greece, that are functioning as tsunami watch providers for the entire region. In the case of an event, tsunami alert messages are sent from the tsunami watch providers to tsunami warning focal points in the NEAM-TWS countries. The tsunami warning focal points are designated by the governments to receive alerts and other crisis information on a 24/7 basis and to activate the national warning chains within their countries. Reducing the frequency of tsunami occurrences is not possible, but we have to ensure that people in endangered coastlines are prepared and know what to do in case a tsunami warning is issued by the national authorities. An essential part of a tsunami warning system is to develop and maintain the awareness and preparedness of the coastal population. For tsunamis that are generated close to the coast and where the tsunami wave travel time is very short, the population has to play an active role by self-evacuating if a strong earthquake is felt. Labeled evacuation routes are the best routes to nearby higher grounds or tsunami-proof buildings. In some cases, people will have to wait for several hours before returning to the coast. An early warning system can be effective only when the population is well aware of the tsunami phenomenon and knows what to do in case of an emergency. Awareness raising and education are therefore essential. NEAM-TIC, which is the Tsunami Information Center for the Northeastern Atlantic and the Mediterranean, has been created with the support of the European Commission Directorate for Humanitarian Aid and Civil Protection to make citizens more aware of the risks of tsunamis and to foster collaboration at all institutional levels for the implementation of the tsunami warning system for the region. Several information products, like posters, flyers, e-learning courses, and guidelines, can be found on and easily downloaded from our website. Please visit it at neamtic.ioc-unesco.org. And please remember, knowledge is safety.